Aspose.PSD View application was designed to help you preview your images. First, you need to upload a file to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the input file for preview. Only a single file may be previewed at a time. Uploading may take a while depending on your input file size. After uploading completes, you may preview the file, select the desired zoom ratio, or the useful options such as fit to width or fit to height. They are especially useful if your image has a large dimensions. Finally, you may print your image. A standard print window is shown, or you may download the original loaded image. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.PSD is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.